welcome back to my video. So today I am going to be showing you how to contour. And the makeup products I am using is from XMH Beauty by Xtina. She's an amazing makeup artist, so yeah, and she's a beautiful palette which has contour, highlighter, and blush in it. And yep. And I'm also using her brushes, which let me just say they're the most beautiful brushes ever, and they're so soft. So yeah. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and comment down below what is your favorite part of contouring if you contour. And if you're new to contouring, you can just follow along. It's pretty easy. And yeah. So let's hop right into the video.
I'm not trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today. Not these
So first I'm going to be dotting it on my head, and you're not going to blend in until you do all the steps, so it's going to look very different for a minute. But so I'm just going to be kind of swiping and making kind of all even on my forehead. So then I'm just doing a few dots under my cheekbones, and this will just make your face look more. You need to have more apple cheeks or slimmer, but I get into that a little bit later. And I'm just going to do that on both sides. Then I'm just putting some contour right under like my ear and onto my jawbone, just so this makes it look a little more like slimmer and contoured, and it makes it give a little more color to like your neck and your face. And I really like doing this, and I do this to both sides as well. And if you're just confused, just follow along, and yeah. So I am just doing this until my neck is all blended. Now I'm just moving up the contour to my hairline so it looks more blended, and then I'm going to be kind of like squiggling it so there's not like a line there, and yeah. So if you want more of apple cheeks, kind of like a check mark, but like a U check mark, like it goes from like up, and then if you want more of a sharper contour, kind of do like a kind of a downwards motion, as you can see. See, I start at the bottom, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna kind of do a little up position. As you can tell, it's kind of hard to explain, but those are the different cheek. So I am just taking an angled brush and making like a straight line on my nose, kind of going up to my inner corners, but not exactly. And I'm just doing that on both sides. And now I am just kind of blending it in, kind of like doing an eraser motion with like the small hairs on the brush first. And I'm just doing so it's all blended and then the V shape underneath my nose. And yep, that is how you nose contour if you didn't know how to do that. And I'm also going to be adding a tiny bit of highlighter on my nose just to make it look more equal, than putting kind of in between my eyebrows. It's really basic. You just get some highlighter, and my highlighter is in the same palette as my contour. And I'm just putting on my nose, then kind of up just to blend it a little more. And yeah. So now it's time for bronzer and blush, and I'm just putting it kind of intermixed with my contour and a little bit above, just to give it a little more shimmery little color thing. And then I'm going to be taking some blush and putting it over that, and then highlighter. I know that's kind of confusing, but once I blend it pretty good, and it takes a little bit of blend, it looks really good, and I like it. And it's really, with makeup, it's really how you like it, and you don't have to follow like a certain makeup thing. Just like follow like obviously where you put like the contour, because you want to put like the contour where you're supposed to put highlighter, you know what I mean? And just like follow like those steps, but just do it the way you like it and just be you, girl. Bye guys, hope you guys like this video. I had so much fun filming this for you guys. And let me know if you want to see more makeup videos down below or any other videos. And give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on all my social media, which is all linked down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!